Okay guys, so here's the fishing magnet, how it turned out. Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, today I'm making something I've never made before. We're going to make a fishing magnet out of a sardine can. Everything here except for the fiberglass resin is something you can find in the garbage or scrap, usually. This is sardine can. Going to need a eye bolt and a couple of washers and nuts. This is going to go inside the can to keep it from pulling out. This can wire to attach these nails to the magnets. These magnets are hard drive magnets you get from your computer. They're scrap. You're going to need something to puncture the can. You could use the nails actually and the hammer. You need something to stir up the fiberglass resin and the wire to attach the nails. I think we mentioned that. This piece of metal is going to go inside the can and it's going to help hold the eye bolt in. So it's pretty simple, I think. We'll get started, see how it turns out.
1 day later.
Okay guys, so here's the fishing magnet, how it turned out. Let's do a close-up here. When I finished, there was a little bump here in the middle. The resin was kind of high, so I had to scrape it off. But this is pretty flat. I can see where if I would have put some gravel or rocks or pieces of metal in here, it would have taken up less space and you could use a lot less resin and be cheaper to make. This was about 5.5 ounces, but you could probably do it with 2 ounces if you fill this up. It's pretty strong. This is about, you have to get it this is about 3 pounds. Of course, if it's underwater, it's going to be even stronger. It would be better if it was magnets on both sides, because when it goes in the water, if it's on this side, you won't have any traction. But you can get these computer magnets for nothing from old hard drives if they're thrown out, and except for the resin, just about everything is scrap you could find eventually if you have it laying around, pieces of wire, eye bolt. So it was a fun project. I've not seen anybody else do this. I always enjoy making things people don't make. And also I want to mention there's a website or a channel I like for magnet fishing, Florida Relic. I'll leave a link to his channel. He's the one that turned me on to getting interested in magnet fishing. So you might want to try this. I put on new videos every week. Robb's Homemade Life, been doing it for 15 years. 1 or 2 videos every week, and you never know what you're going to find. And check out my do-it-yourself playlist, and also got a Florida fishing playlist. Half the videos there from other people that I really like. So try making this. It's kind of fun, and it only takes a few minutes. And there's probably easier ways to do this. Like I said, I never did it before, so this was my first time. I think maybe in the future I'll try a different way, and maybe even add more than 2 magnets. All right, guys, I'm around here. Take care. See you out there. Robb's Homemade Life.